Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD-pegged stablecoins on Binance. We'll cover the most common and accessible methods to help you get started. First, we'll look at direct purchases using your local currency, which is often the quickest way. Then, we'll dive into the world of peer-to-peer trading, offering more flexibility and payment options. Let's begin by understanding your initial choices. Direct fiat purchases are straightforward. You can use a debit or credit card for instant transactions, though fees might be slightly higher. For larger sums, a bank transfer often provides lower fees and is a reliable option. Remember, you'll need to complete your account verification, often called KYC, to unlock these direct buying features on the platform. This ensures security for all users. Peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading allows you to buy stablecoins directly from other individuals. This method offers a wide range of payment options, including various bank transfer services and e-wallets, giving you great flexibility. Always prioritize merchants with high completion rates and positive reviews to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. It's a community-driven marketplace. When buying stablecoins, always double-check the seller's reputation and transaction history, especially on P2P. Also, be mindful of any transaction limits and the fees associated with your chosen method, as these can vary. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.